Clearing your search history on SHEIN is a straightforward process that can help enhance your shopping experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the SHEIN app or website. Launch the SHEIN application on your mobile device or visit the SHEIN website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account for a seamless experience. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Locate and click on your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app or at the top right of the website. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access search history. In your profile settings, look for an option labeled Search History or Recent Searches. Click on this option to view your past search entries. Step 4. Clear search history. Once you are in the search history section, you should see an option to clear all or delete. Click on this option to remove all your previous searches from the history. Step 5. Confirm deletion. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the deletion of your search history. Confirm your choice and your search history will be cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on SHEIN, ensuring a more personalized shopping experience.